Hiya, Notters. Are you already feeling that nasty winter dip lurking? Well, I am, and that's why I will share my art with you every day. This channel isn't so much about the beauty of creating, but merely about what creating art does for my mental health. That sounds like a very heavy talk, but basically it isn't. Making art makes me happy, and I would like to share that experience with you in order to show that moving your hands in a lovingly way creates happiness and joy. So I create a mess, make weird things, or paint whimsical stuff, but all for the sake of the process and not so much for what it becomes. There are these days that I don't have any inspiration whatsoever, that I feel drained, and I like to call it I feel ugh. But when I dive into that feeling, things are getting worse. I start to see everything that is going wrong. A spoon that drops, raining all day, my dog pees inside, well, you know the drill. But when I focus on creating something, that whole feeling can turn upside down. I jump into the creating, enjoying the things that grow on my desk, and I feel the joy when something works the right way. And today I used some painted papers and some jelly printed papers. Wow! It's all made from stuff that I would have thrown away. You will often see me use these math papers, as I always get the notes from my son who is studying computer science. So there's always a lot of math going on, but I don't understand anything of it. I just don't like to buy new things. The paints I use for all of this are basically any acrylic paints. Some are more expensive, and yes, they do have better pigments, but I just think these small works don't need the fancy stuff. As I was creating, I really liked it until the leaves that I drew. I should have used a different pen to draw them, but oh, that's the little dog of my daughter, and he's always barking at nothing. Baloo! So as I was creating, I really liked it until the leaves that I drew, because I should have used a different pen to draw them. But instead of focusing on that, I just went on. There's no need to fuss about the things that didn't go well. Instead, I like the labels of the tea and the wonky cups. It's so much fun to let something grow like this under your hands, and it even gives you a feeling of accomplishment, accomplished something. I have to be honest though, because when I started, I had no idea what to create, and I went to have a look at Pinterest and Instagram, and that's where I got this idea of the teacups. In summer, I don't drink so much tea, but in fall and winter it gives me a cozy feeling. And today I also grabbed the candles out of my drawer, and I will light them tonight, together with some pumpkin decorations, just to get the feeling of Halloween slowly into our house. Here in Belgium they don't have much with Halloween, but I really like it. Also because it's close to the birthday of our youngest son, and I often organized Halloween parties for his friends. So yesterday I even decided, not so much to the joy of my husband because he isn't a party animal at all, but I decided to get a Halloween party for the kids and their partners and some friends. I already can enjoy the idea of an outside fire with drinks, sweets and hot dogs with burnt buns. Anyway, I liked creating this little art journal page. I hope it will inspire you to create something today too. Not for the beauty, but for the sake of creating. It's fun, relaxing, and keeps you happy. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up or a subscribe so we can create together this fall to just that winter dip out and to create colorful stuff. Take good care of yourself and enjoy all the little things in life. Take a warm cup of tea or look at some pumpkins or flowers or whatever. There's beauty in everything. Big hug from me and hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye bye.